Are you looking for a way to supplement your pension fund so that you won't be restricted to a frugal retirement lifestyle and can actually have the time, freedom, and money to spend with your friends and family, especially the grandkids? Hi, my name is Alice, and not that long ago I was looking for a way to do this when two very good friends of mine suggested I start my very own successful online business. I was introduced to a system that provided step-by-step training, a mentor to help guide me along the way. There were no special technical skills required. I just needed my computer and the internet. The reality is, folks, that we already shop, order food, seek medical advice. Heck, some of us even look for a date online. So why not create a business online? The world has changed. There's no going back. Doing business online is the new economy. So if you're ready to change with the times and create a better retirement lifestyle for yourself, please take a look at this business. Click on the Learn More button on or around this video, fill in your name and email address, and watch the free webinar. I'd love to show you how your retirement dreams can become a reality, just like mine have.